So what I've decided to do is make my own distribution and distribution block. So I've got this aluminum right here. This is going to go across the batteries, and then I've got this aluminum right here, which is going to go across the which is going to make the GDB, yeah, ground distribution block, because I don't have time to sit there and wait for anything else to come in. So I'm trying to get this thing done this week. So this is the foam board. It's 3/4 inches thick. It almost feels like MDF. Smelled it. No, it smelled like MDF, but it sure feels like it.
Sprintflex lease, regularly priced at $40 a month. And while supplies last, get a free 49-inch LG TV. Requires registration at LG.com and a new line of service. Visit your local Sprint store, Sprint.com, or call 1-800-SPRINT1 today.
Pricing will be $20 a month. Credit apply within 2 bills from new customers with approved credit.
So this is what we're looking like so far. So there's 7 grounds here. So there's 7 here. So I'm gonna have to pull this over just a smidge to try to get this in here. But this is clear. I didn't pull it over far enough, but it's all good. If I don't have to use those, cause see, I don't really have to if I don't want to, you know, because these are in fairly tight, so I didn't tighten that one up. So nothing moves on this thing. So 2 is coming in from the frame, then 2 from the battery, then 2 from the amp, and then 1 from the other amp. I might end up having to make another one of these later, much later. But yeah, make these all day long. Yeah, man. So I'm done making my distribution block. I'll say it turned out pretty good. Got a little bit of a gap right here, so I'm gonna have to take a little bit off whatever lug I use right here. So So just kind of sand it down, but that's okay. You know, this is my first one ever making, and I think it turned out pretty good. So, yeah, just the spacing's a little bit off right there. See? But it'll still work. Still work the same. But anyways, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and show, man. That's it. Peace out.